loves, the holidays is actually tomorrow, and I wanted to come on here and show y'all how I'm going to marinate / brine my turkey. Okay, this marinade is going to make it juicy, so flavorful, and even though I'm brining it, I'm still going to do an herb butter for tomorrow. So I have a 10-pounder here, guys, that I had washed. Okay, a 10-pound turkey. It's just me and my husband. Okay, so the measurements I'm giving y'all, if y'all have a bigger turkey, do the math, multiply it, I don't know, with what size turkey you may have. Okay, I have some light brown sugar. This is about 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. I have some black pepper. I have some chicken bouillon flavor. I have this mojo marinade. This right here, look at it. Look at it, yes. Okay, I have some garlic powder. I know y'all gonna come for me with this. I got a little accent, y'all. You don't have to, but this has like 60% less sodium. Okay, I have some lemon juice. You could get the lemon juice from the bottle, because if you can't, there's something like this that's called sour orange or naranja agria. Okay, and if you can't find that, you can make your own sour orange. And this is orange juice, okay, that I got here. That's about 4 cups of orange. I got turkey back, and we're gonna let it marinate in there. And I got one of these. These right here, let me tell you. Oh, first of all, I got two. I got 2 of them, because tomorrow I'm gonna make my herb butter for this too. That's how I get my turkeys. What? I make good turkey on. I'm not just saying that, but this is for when I do my herb butter, and this is what I'm going to use with my marinade here too. So, all right, these were like 60 cents. Okay, so guys, this is what we're first going to do. Putting my gloves on because I don't want my hands to smell like, you know, all this stuff and stuff. Renee. So I'm going to, got the gloves on. Now what I want to do, my loves, I'm going to gently try to loosen that skin. Be gentle. Loosening that skin from the bird. I usually start at this cavity. It's pretty much loosened here. But we pretty much want to loosen that skin gently between the meat. Okay, because we're gonna do our herb butter. Okay, so this is how I get my turkeys, baby. All right, so we're gonna gently loosen. This one is pretty easy to loosen. Just put your fingers in there and gently separate the skin from the actual breast. See how I'm doing it? Okay, try not to tear it. Try to, you know, the thigh part. Okay, because we want, because tomorrow I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make the herb butter, but I'm not gonna put it on today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow when I'm getting ready to bake this. Okay, see how I'm loosening that? Because tomorrow I'm gonna do my herb butter. I'm gonna put that herb butter right up under this. So in my bowl, I'm adding about 4 cups of orange juice. I use Sunny Delight. Don't play with me. Sunny Delight is good. It's not artificial. Sunny Delight. Pure Sunny Delight. Yes, ma'am. You're going to take this bottle here. And this marinade is good for, because this is my turkey. Is like, you got to shake this first, y'all. This is the mojo criollo. Okay? Shake it well. This has garlic, onion, all the citruses and everything. Okay? Now, it smells so good already. Okay? This marinade is good up to, I think, what? For a good 12, up to a 12 size. Maybe you could do it with a bigger size, the amount of marinade I'm making. The mojo, I'm going to add 1 cup of lemon juice. And you could get the lemon, you could either squeeze your lemon juice, or what you can do is get the lemon juice from, you can squeeze it if you have the time for that, but I ain't doing all that. Okay? I'm gonna add about a cup of that. I'm gonna take one of these packets here. You could use whichever one. They have the brown sugar bourbon, but I'm gonna use that for my herb chicken, because I've made, my herb butter. Okay, I'm going to use this one, which I'm going to add a packet of. Now, with turkey, guys, this is by Grill Mates. With turkey, guys, you gotta season turkey. Turkey is one of those things you gotta add my brown sugar. I got about 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Now the black pepper is up to you, okay? But for this 10 pounder, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup black pepper, because I'm gonna add more tomorrow. So you know, this is all based on you too. Garlic powder, I'm gonna add plenty of garlic powder because I love garlic. So I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of that. All right. I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. Now guys, even though I use the marinade for that, when you want to salt your bird, for every pound, you use a teaspoon of salt. Okay, but I'm cooking with seasoned salt, but it's also up to you too. Okay? I'm eyeing this, y'all, because I'm gonna add some accent to it. This does not have soda, but what it does, it just really wakes up. It really wakes this up. So I'm adding about about 2 tablespoons of that. All right, because this is, and that's it. This is your marinade right here. If you want to add your green seasoning to this, you can too. But my green seasoning, again, is going to go in my herb butter. Okay? Some people just stop at this. But I know what I like to do and how I get my turkeys to be superb. It's going to tenderize your turkey. You're going to have a juicy ass turkey. Take your knife, especially right where the breast part is, and make little slits. Try not to do it in the skin part, like you don't want to put slits in the skin. But what this is going to do, go on the side of the breast, is going to help those flavors penetrate, get what you can into that turkey. Flavors. Unless you have an injector, if you want to, I think you could definitely inject this. I don't know where I put my injector, but that's okay though, because everybody may not have one. All right. Before I do this, I'm gonna take one of these bags, which I'm going to use to hold my turkey while it's marinating. Okay, that girl up here. And slip her in here. This is such a cute little turkey. I paid $12.22 for this. Okay, because again, it's just me and my husband, and the prices of turkeys went up. Ooh, boy. They sure went up, guys. All right. So you see what I do here? Okay. Into it. Sure. Okay, put your marinade in there. Get these remnants out. All right. See? Okay, but I'll have it in this thing here. Okay, and we're gonna tie. I like to turn this on the breast side, believe it or not, because the bottom part is already going to get soaked up in the juice. But you see what I did? Just like that, and we're going to put that in the fridge. That bad boy is being marinated. Now I'm going to show you how to do that herb butter for tomorrow. Now guys, again, you could just stop right here. And you may not want to do an herb butter. This may be just good for you. But I like to take it up an extra notch. Okay? Let's do this. Up to the brine / marinade you can. Okay, like your green seasoning and your sage, your rosemary. And once you take it out of the bag, however you're gonna arrange it in the pan, I like to bake my turkeys in the bag. So what I would do, I'm gonna take the turkey out of the bag, okay, out of that marinade, and I'm, according to the directions of the bag, you know, I think when you gotta punch a hole in the bag and put flour in it, shake it around, and put it there. Or you could put vegetables on the bottom of that and lay the turkey on there and tie the bag. That's how I like to do my turkey, because my turkeys come out juicy. Or however you want to do it. But I'm going to do the herb butter, okay? So I'm going to take some butter here, guys. And I know butter is expensive. I get that. So if you have half butter and half, you know, like, what kind of butter is it? Country crock or whatever, use that. Go ahead, use that. You know, I'm making my herb butter because once I take it out of the bag tomorrow, I'm gonna put my herb butter right up under that skin of the breast part and try to get it under where the arms are, the legs and everything, and put some of that herb butter on top. Okay, and we gonna have it going on. So okay, so I got some butter here. Okay, I got this is about a cup and a half of butter. I may need a little bit more, but you work it towards your eye. I'm gonna add my green seasoning, some black pepper. You make your herb butter accordingly. Okay, I'm going to add, ooh baby, this right here. So I want to do this with my turkey, so I'm going to add this to it. I never used these. I used it once and it came out so good, so I like this. So you could, I'm going to add this along with my mix. Okay, and don't worry guys, again, see, turkey, you gotta season turkey. Add some garlic. See, I go by eye, but I just want to show y'all how to get an idea of how to go about, you know, really getting the flavors in your turkey. A little smoked paprika. Did I add black pepper? Yeah. Did I add garlic pepper? Oh Lord. Yeah, I already added that. Yep. Did I add my black pepper? Yeah, I did. I think. I'm gonna add some of my rosemary. Okay. Whatever herbs you got, guys, sage, whatever, you work this out accordingly to the size of your turkey. But I'm just giving you an example here because I'm cooking this by eye right here. But I wanted to give you at least the base of the marinade. Okay, And my loves, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Press that notification bell so you could be alerted, and press that thumbs up so we could get the algorithm going and let everybody know that Jackie's cooking. This is what I wanted to share with you guys, all right? Just getting the preparation aspects of the turkey. Have a beautiful, safe, and happy Thanksgiving. Look out for all my other videos. And I need you guys to definitely do this, especially tomorrow. Eat, love, and pray. Okay, my loves? Until next time. Happy holidays.